Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in SolidWorks software. So I choose this drawing. You can see this is the standard V block. So I will prepare first all the bases. So then I will remove the material. Go to File, New, Part, OK. If you are new for this channel, please subscribe my channel and support my friends. Change the units. Select the extruded. Select plane, normal. Here select center rectangle. You can see friends, the base size is 120 by 45 mm. Give the dimension here 120 by 45. Finish the sketch. Extruded up to 45 mm. So base is ready. You can see both side 20 by 30 mm cutout is there. I will do first one side cutout, another side will do mirror. Select surface, sketch, normal. Select corner rectangle. Give the dimension. This is 30. Here to here 20 mm. Finish sketch. Select extruded cut. Remove material through hole. OK. So one side cutout is ready. Now I will do this to mirror. Select cut this cutout and select the mirror. Here select center plane, right plane. Finish. So two sides cutout are ready. Now you can see center on V groove is there. The dimension is 90 degree and each side 5 mm. Select surface, sketch, normal. Select line. Give the dimension. Mm. This side also 5 mm. 90 degree. And here center is there. Give the dimension 60. 120 divided by 2. That's it friends. Fully defined sketch. Finish sketch. Again select extruded cut. Here select through all. OK. So our basic V block is ready. So now we can assign the material also here. Go to appearances. Here you can select which material you want. I will select metal. In the metal I will select steel. Usually V blocks are steels only, including magnet. We can select here color also. I will go machined steel. OK. So our basic V block is ready. That's it friend, today's session. If you like this session, Please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.